In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote Desktop. If you're new to OneNote, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get started with the desktop app in a simple and practical way. We're going to focus on creating a new notebook, organizing it into sections, and then adding pages so you can start taking notes in a clean, structured way. To begin, open your page in the OneNote Desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're working in the desktop version of OneNote, since the layout can look a little different from the web or mobile version. Once the app is open and you can see your current workspace, you're ready to create something new. Next, go to the top left area of the app and click File. This will open the main menu where you can access notebook-related options and settings. If you've never used this area before, think of it as the control center for managing your notebooks. From there, click New. This is where you'll start creating a brand new notebook. A notebook in OneNote is like a main container for all your notes, so it's a good idea to give it a name that clearly reflects what you'll use it for, whether that's work, school, projects, or personal planning. Now, type in the name of your notebook and then click Create Notebook. Once you do that, OneNote will generate the new notebook for you. Depending on your setup, it may take a moment to appear. Try to choose a name that will still make sense later, especially if you plan to create several notebooks over time. After the notebook is created, look for the plus icon next to your section tabs and click it. Sections help you break your notebook into categories. For example, you might use one section for meeting notes, another for ideas, and another for to-do lists. This makes your notebook much easier to navigate as it grows. Once your sections are in place, move to the right side of the screen. Inside each section, you can add individual pages by clicking Add Page. Pages are where your actual notes go, so this is where you'll begin building out your content. You can create as many pages as you need within each section to keep everything organized. And that's the basic setup for using OneNote Desktop. By creating a notebook, adding sections, and then adding pages, you'll have a solid foundation for keeping your notes clear and easy to manage.